1.1 Identify the basic concept of industrialized building system (IBS). 1.1.1 Define the industrialized building system (IBS). 1.1.2 Explain modular coordination and prefabrication system. 1.1.3 Identify the classification of industrialized building system (IBS), which is precast component, formwork system, metal, steel framing, timber framing, and blockwork. Definition of industrialized building system (IBS). Industrialized building system or IBS is a term used to refer to various prefabricated construction methods. IBS components are constructed separately beforehand and they are assembled on site afterward. Of industrialized building system (IBS). Varying scale and size of components from wall section to full-scale building floor are constructed separately in a controlled environment and later assembled to form a full-fledged building or facilities. Furthermore, speed, efficiency, and flexibility. They are the features accentuating IBS as one of the measures by CIDB to catalyze the growth of the national construction industry.
Modular coordination. Modular coordination is a concept of coordination of dimension and space, in which buildings and components are dimensioned and positioned in terms of basic unit or module. Prefabrication system. An entire building or an assembly of its components is manufactured at an off-site facility and assembled on-site from self-sustained volumetric modules or separate panels. Example of projects using IBS in leisure. First, Setia City Mall, Shah Alam. Second, AIMS University, Kedah. And Hospital Serdang, Selangor. Precast component, a construction product produced by casting concrete in a reusable mold or form, which is then cured in a controlled environment, transported to the construction site and maneuvered into place. Examples include precast beams and wall panels for tilt-up construction. Formwork system, a temporary mold into which concrete is poured and formed so that it can set to the required shape. Steel framing, a building technique with a skeleton frame of vertical steel columns and horizontal I-beams, constructed in a rectangular grid to support the floors, roof and walls of a building which are all attached to the frame. Timber framing, a system of panelized structural walls and floors constructed from small section timber stubs clad with poured products, in which the timber frame transmits vertical and horizontal loads to the foundations. Blockwork, a construction technique using large concrete or cement blocks. They are often much larger than a standard clay brick, but have a hollow center to make them lighter and easier to work with, as well as improving their capacity for insulation. Topic learning outcome. At the end of this topic, students should be able to 1.1 Identify the basic concept of industrialized building system (IBS). 1.2 Determine the advantage and disadvantage of industrialized building system (IBS). Industrialized building system or IBS. Advantage: first, cost savings. 2. Less labor at site. 3. Flexibility. 4. Environmental friendly. Disadvantage: 1. Transportation challenge. 2. Limited flexibility in design. 3. Skills and labor shift. 4. Limited innovation in construction methods.
Determine the advantage and disadvantage of IBS. Compare the IBS with conventional construction system and interpret the IBS as a sustainable construction. For IBS, reduce construction wastage and cost in terms of material costs, labor costs, equipment costs, and overhead costs. And for conventional, require higher costs in terms of material costs, labor costs, equipment costs, and overhead costs. For IBS, shorter construction period. IBS construction permit a faster completion of the project because of its rapid and all-weather construction, and the components are easy assembled and iterated. For conventional, longer construction period delay completion of the project due to the on-site construction, and components are disaggregated and difficult to assemble and iterate. IBS also wastage of timber followed by cement, brick, soil, and concrete is less than 5% of the total material used. And for conventional, wastage of steel followed by brick, cement, concrete, and timber are close to 10% of the total material used in the construction project. Prefabricated components require less repair and preventive maintenance. For conventional, low quality and poor finish due to workmanship, and require higher maintenance expenses because of low quality. The implementation of IBS, for which utility components are built off-site, has the potential of promoting sustainability deliverable. Carbon footprint is reduced in buildings contracted with IBS, and IBS construction promotes sustainable through efficient material use, reduce waste from control manufacturing, and decrease transportation needs. This approach align with eco-friendly practice, contributing to a greener and more environmentally conscious construction industry. And that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, guys.